Hello friends, this is Mirjan Hippolito, an expert in Forex and cryptocurrencies at Traders Union. In this review, we will look at the broker XM Group, one of the most popular brokers among beginner traders due to its low entry threshold and a large number of bonus programs. XM Group is an international broker that has been operating since 2009 and serves over 5 million clients in 190 countries. The company offers more than 1,000 trading instruments, including currency pairs, stocks, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and precious metals. Trading is conducted through the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 platforms, and the broker's own mobile app, XM App. Recently, representatives of Traders Union personally visited the cozy office of the XM Group broker in Cyprus, located at the address provided on the company's official website. The minimum deposit is $5. Spreads start from 0.8 pips. There are no commissions on most accounts. Leverage can reach 1 to 1,000 for certain countries. For clients from the EU and the UK, up to 1 to 30. Order execution is market execution without requotes. The broker's advantages include a low minimum deposit, a wide selection of trading instruments, no fees for deposits and withdrawals, bonus programs, and multilingual technical support. Among the disadvantages, one can mention an inactivity fee of $15 after 90 days of inactivity. Real Traders Reviews.
I found XM in 2022 when I was looking for a better platform. Unlike my previous broker, XM charges no fees for withdrawals or deposits, and the money always arrives on time. They are well accredited, and I've never had issues withdrawing large amounts.
I opened my first real trading account with XM earlier this year, and it's one of my favorite platforms. Deposits and withdrawals are processed on time, with a maximum delay of 2 days. The minimum deposit is just $5, perfect for beginners. They even gave me a deposit bonus after my first deposit.
I took my time researching XM before funding my account, and I can confirm it's a reliable broker, licensed by a reputable regulatory body. Low spreads, fast order execution, and no issues with deposits or withdrawals. For smaller trades, I prefer XM, although for larger ones, I choose ECN and STP brokers.
XM Group is a versatile broker with an international license, attractive trading conditions, and a high level of trust from traders. It is suitable for both beginners and experienced market participants. It is recommended to review the detailed terms of this company on the Traders Union website before starting to trade. You can find the link in the description. See you next time.